Hey guys, it's Jonathan from Motorsports. Today we're going to show you, this is one of my favorite cars in 2014. It is a Z28 powered by 505 horsepower LS7. Carbon ceramic rotors, it pulls 1.08 Gs in the corners and I believe 1.5 Gs in braking. This thing is a rocket ship. Let's do a complete walk around, 600 miles. This is ready for a collection. Here we go. Let's start off with the overall condition. This is easily a 9.5 out of 10. Shows like it's brand new because it only has 660 miles on it. We're gonna take it for a test drive today. If you wanna see underside shots of it, just click on the link below. Also, if you wanna see why there's no price or where it's going for auction, click on the link below. That's gonna guide you and give you a nice description of the whole entire vehicle and let you decide if this is the right ride for you. If you need help with shipping, we can help you too. I don't see any imperfections throughout the whole entire vehicle. Tires are original, so they're date coded 2014, which means they came with the car. Does have those big carbon ceramic rotors. Interior is pretty plain because it's a race car. So you do have Alcantara on the seats and then on the dash, and it does have the optional radio. So you do have a radio. Seats are in perfect condition. Roof line's very nice, and I apologize for the dust. They're doing construction right by us, so it gets dusty pretty quick. Rear bumper's in great shape. There's no modifications on this one, so definitely take a look at the gallery. You're gonna see all the underside shots. That rear wing is menacing, and the front end, they actually did aero testing on it for performance. That's pretty neat. Interior is extremely clean. There's a couple of rock chips right here that I'm seeing. And they may come out, but I see it right there. And this is the third car that I've seen that had the same thing with low miles. Door cards. Look at that, one-piece design, baby. Look at these door panels. Just like you got out of Hertz Rent-A-Car. That's because it's bare bones for weight. I'm gonna pop the hood so I can show you the 427. And I'm sure you're noticing the carbon fiber trim here. A lot of guys will remove the plastic. This has never been removed, and that'll give you airflow into the engine bay, which is nice. Opening up the hood, so this is a dry sump motor. All of your plastics look nice. A little bit of delamination on this 427. Still has a stock air cleaner. And when you look at the engine bay, that's real mileage. Here's a plastic piece you can remove. So you just take out these pins, you'll have open air, even though there is a little bit of flow right here. Pop the trunk for you. Let's show you guys the trunk. Trunk is extremely clean. You can see that it's bare bones. You've got your battery under here. Let me start it up. Look at these pedals too. I mean, it's a thought out design. It's just, you don't, when you sit inside of it, you don't realize what you're sitting in. Oh yeah. Let's do it, baby. All right, we're inside. You can see that it has an Alcantara steering wheel, Z28 badging right here. You do have the optional radio. Alcantara dash pad. Shifter is nice. You have several modes here, so you have Tour and Sport, and that actually adjusts your magnetic dampeners. So that's where you get all that good fun from. Clutch is really easy, so you just pull it out. It's pretty comfortable. The seats feel really good. Clutch is easy.
Drives like a brand new car.
It is a brand new car. I actually feel bad driving it right now, to tell you the truth. Steering it's pretty tight. It's responsive. It's not loose. Oh, you could push this thing into some corners. What we'll do is we'll bring it to our closed course, get you guys some outside shots. I don't want to drive it too much. But this is a nice one if you have a collection or if you want to start driving this thing every day. This is it. 672 miles now. We're going to turn left here. We'll be able to test it out. Put the windows down so you can hear the exhaust. AC still blowing cold. I'm pretty sure there's flapper valves in the exhaust, so you can hear the baffles when you hit a certain RPM. First gear, second gear. Oh, she feels good. Brakes are amazing too. Wow.
There's that 1.5 G.
Yeah, the brakes work really good. Oh, the brakes are, you just touch them. Once they're warm. Let's try it in sport mode. Yes, please. 427, baby. We'll get some outside shots. If you guys have any questions about this ride, give us a call at 954-363-2261. That's the most this thing's gonna get. I'm gonna put it away now. Hope you guys enjoyed that test drive. If you have any questions, give us a call at 954-363-2261. Please don't forget to subscribe so we can give you more great content just like this. Whee!